Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Marina Halid, your Islamiyat teacher. Dear student, today we will start a new chapter, Faith and Prayer. Our topic of discussion is Tauheed, belief in the oneness of Allah. The learning objectives of this lesson are: what is Tauheed, what is the meaning of Tauheed, proof of Tauheed, Allah's unique qualities. Tauheed. Tauheed is the most important and basic belief of every Muslim. No one can be a Muslim without believing in it. The kalma Tauheed is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah, which means there is no God except Allah. And Muhammadur Rasulullah, which means Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his prophet. The first part of the kalma is based on Tauheed and the second part is based on Risalat. Meaning of Tauheed. Tauheed means that Allah is one, He has no partners, no one except Him is to be worshipped. Surah Ikhlas. Surah Ikhlas explains Tauheed in a few lines. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Kulhu Allahu Ahad. He is Allah, the One. Allahu Samad. Allah, the Eternal Absolute. Lam Yalid Walam Yulad. He begets not, nor is He begotten. Walam Yakullahu Kufuwan Ahad. And there is none like Him. Proof of Tauheed. We see that the system of the whole world goes on smoothly, day after day, year after year, and season after season. The sun always rises from the east and sets in the west. Night always comes after day. All the planets and the moon move in their own paths. Seasons come in the same order, and so on. This proves that there is only one power that is running the whole universe. Dear students, if there were more than one power, then there would be confusion all around. So, it proves that the master of the whole universe is just one Allah. Allah's unique qualities. If no one is like Allah, then surely there are qualities which no one but Allah possesses. Some of His sifats or qualities are: Allah has created all mankind. He is our creator and called Khalik. He gives nourishment to all His creatures. He is their provider and called Razik. Allah is the master of the universe and called Malik. Allah is all-knowing and called Alim. Allah is the light and called Noor. Dear student, this is the end of today's lesson. If you have any query, you may ask me on this email ID. Allah Hafiz and have a blessed day.